He could finally have a proper meal after so many days. He was surviving in the wild rainforest of Borneo. This place had one of the world's most complex rainforest ecosystems. He had to face venomous insects, snakes, aggressive animals, and harsh rainforest weather. He carried no food, no fire starter. He only brought cameras to document his survival. It was now the 7th day. His hunting traps still hadn't yielded anything. Fortunately, the small fish in the river provided enough to eat. Walking barefoot in the jungle these past few days had been quite uncomfortable. After breakfast, he gathered some vines. He originally intended to weave a pair of shoes, but the weather always surprised him. He was numb, completely numb. Did it hurt when he just collected them? It started raining again as soon as he got back to his shelter. It had rained for 3 out of the 7 days he'd been here. Wasn't it supposed to be quite dry? Why was there so much rain? Ah, this is terrible. Hold on. Please don't collapse. Finally, the rain was letting up a bit, but it was still thundering. The sky was still gloomy. It looked like the rain was going to continue. Seemed like an all-day thing. Oh ha! Better just go back and sit inside my little shelter. The fire felt really warm. Here it comes, starting again. Just give up. Looks like he couldn't do anything today. Nothing at all. He would just stay in the shelter and keep warm by the fire. Good morning. The rain had finally stopped. It only lightened up last night. The stream had swollen with water. The main river outside had risen even more. It was comfortable having a dry shelter. Look how wet it was outside. The river water had risen too. Still no luck with the traps. Look how high the river had gotten. Oh no! Oh no, his fairy shrimp were gone. He searched along the stream but couldn't find them. They must have been washed out to the main river. Sigh! Hey, something big. He touched it. Oh! What a clean, nice-looking crab. Holes like this are made by crabs. Let's open it up. The hole was a bit small, though. Come out here. Look how active this guy was. Trying to go back? Hey! Ha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was one with eggs. He didn't take it. Tasty, quite flavorful. Too much juice. Still no action. The fishing rod didn't spring ... Wait, something's there. Wow. Ha. What is this thing? It has leopard cat-like fur. And a weasel-like face. He couldn't quite figure it out. But he couldn't worry about that now. Look at this creature. It was quite heavy, probably around 6 or 7 jin. That meant he had food for the next couple of days. Ha ha ha! This was a real prize. The liver, he had to roast it. After so many days, he could finally have a big meal. It had been truly difficult. Look how thick the meat was. His little liver was almost done, but the meat needed more time. It was just starting to sizzle. Time for a pre-meal snack. It could replenish some of the things his body was lacking. Too dry. The taste was okay, a bit gamey. This side was also sizzling with oil now. Look how beautiful it was. This thing even had some subcutaneous fat. It looked delicious. What was that? He couldn't figure out what that sound was. Ah, the small leg was cooked. Wow! Tender and juicy, perfectly roasted. And there was fat. This was so aromatic. Done, done, done. The front wasn't fully cooked yet, but the back part was ready to eat. Time to enjoy his feast. Excellent. He was going to have a proper, hearty meal. Look at this meat. Wow. Couldn't finish it. Simply couldn't finish it all. He thought since it looked like a weasel, it would have a strong, unpleasant taste. But he never expected that once roasted, it would taste even better than rabbit. He'd just say it plainly. Eat his fill and sleep. Have a good, solid sleep. Ah, this feeling was truly satisfying.